Welcome to Fantastic Smiles. My name is Dr. Koser and I am in practice at Fantastic Smiles for probably about 19 years now. Before I started this practice, I was working for private practice with different doctors as an associate. So it really made me prepared for where I'm at right now. I was always looking for local labs. I wanted someone that is close enough that the patient can come to the laboratory for shade selection, or the laboratory technician can come to my office, and it was very important to me. I did have a situation at one point. I had a patient that was going back to Poland, and my case was not ready. I started asking around who else can help me with this case, and here was Jason, and Jason says, no problem, we're gonna make it work. And I had the owner of Vitality coming with the case for me. We delivered that, and the lady went to the airport. It really made me appreciate Vitality so much more, because the communication between Jason and I is really good. And in a lot of different cases, he is a lifesaver. And that's what I'm saying. It's someone that I can trust, someone that I know that is doing a good job. Things change so drastically that there's nobody really better than a great technician. Material selection is very important. Some people will take a look at the case and say, okay, I want total aesthetics. The other case requires very much strength. Some cases require a combination of both. So support of Vitality is crucial for me as experts in dental materials that will help me make decisions that are the best for my patients. Some of my patients are very demanding, and that also needs someone on the other side to make sure that that patient is happy. The drastic changes are the most beautiful to see afterwards, especially when the patient is happy. Some people that have dental fears, they let themselves go, and then all of a sudden socially they are really not happy because they are scared of smiling, they are scared of going out. What is the condition of your existing teeth? How are your gums doing? What needs to be done, how much it's going to cost, how much time it's going to take. The satisfaction of my work is pretty much on a daily basis. And I think that's rewarding, not just for them to finish the process, but also for us as professionals to see the patient smiling again, how they are changing their personalities, how they talk more, how they are, smiling more, how they are happier. You can see it in their eyes.